Shoo, buddy, it's been a hot minute here. Epic Tim with some pro tips coming back at you. If you're working on an LS in a cramped little package such as this, I've got the trick for you if you're doing spark plugs. Patient in the shop today, 2014 Chevrolet Caprice. You may be more familiar with the SS platform or not, but it's the same. Cramped engine bay, strut towers, ABS, cabin air filters, junk for days, but I've got the trick for you. These plug wires are always the biggest pain in the butt. My recommendation here is to pop them off the coils, boop, 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 and then let everything dangle. If you can get your hand back there, give it a little twisty twist and break the tension loose where the rubber and the porcelain spark plug meet, and then get you a set of these bad johnnies. Anything like it with a little pincher tip, that's what we're gonna need. Flathead screwdriver, nice thick shaft if you like. I think it's gonna come in handy right about here. Then you're gonna ask the question, how do I get that spark plug off? And I've got a trick for you as well. So let's check it out. I've only got two hands in the shop today, so bear with me. Take your pinchy pinchers right here, boop, 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 and then leverage a fulcrum against this exhaust manifold there and just push in like that. And you're gonna need two hands for this part, but if you don't have enough depth, get your flathead screwdriver and stick it right there where that shiny silver nut sticks out of my pliers. Put it between that and the manifold, and then boosh, you'll be able to pop that thing right off. So she's just setting in there right now, but this is what I'm talking about. Oh, like gravy. Then you can just peel it right out. All right, so the next question you got for yourself is how do you get this dingle dangle all the way back in there to pop this bad Johnny loose? And I'm gonna tell you, this way is the hard way. I got a little trick with this guy. This is a snap-on, let's see the part number here, 5/8 inch offset spark plug socket, 59723, made in the good old US of A. And what this does is gives you just enough room to put your ratchet on the end of this and then swivel this all the way around so you can have a nice low profile 360 degrees. Get you that last spark plug out with this guy and fret no more. A little doobity-doo like that will show you what's actually going on all the way back there. Bada bing, bada boom, for here, for there. Pile of dead plug wires. Yeah, I know I ripped the ends of those, but I'm telling you, this trick I showed you works. I'm intentionally replacing all these anyway, so I just went a little ham on over on side A here. And side B said, let's make a video for our friends. So if you want them pliers exactly, Napa P716. No clue if they make them anymore. Good luck. Most of their stuff is Carlisle now, which is okay at best. Made in the USA, made in China. Snap-on, you know the deal. And if you're going to replace plug wires as well, I can only recommend two brands. If you want something cheap, AC Delcos. Get what came out of this thing. You want something better, get you a set of Napa Belden, the premium ignition line. These things are cherry. No crimps on the ends are going to fall off. No adjusting anything to make it fit on the plug or in the coil. Everything is just perfect right out of the box. Needs nothing but a little bit of dielectric and a little bit of anti-seize on your plugs. Be careful. Don't get it on the flange. That's where everything grounds. The rest of these, if you get a premium plug or nylon coated, you don't need anti-seize. I'm going to go with the premium set of either AC Delco double platinums or some nice NGK double platinums as well. Match what come out your car, you're going to be alright. And that's it for Epic Tim Tech Tips. I hope you want to work like a pro. Not saying I am, but I know a few things. And for all you hardcore Nova guys that are waiting on an update, the Nova's out of the shop. The Caprice on the lift. Lots of stuff to talk about. Long story short, it's a death in the family. It's been a little chaotic. Got through that, and now we're getting back into the motion of things. We're moving out of this shop, technically already moved out of the house, cleaning out the garage right now, just taking advantage of some lift time while we are building a new, bigger, and better version of this. Stay tuned. Cool things are coming.